Kasi po kasi, kasi po kahapon, yung nagtitraining po kami, yung feeling ko po nun para lang ako nananaginip. Hindi pa rin po talaga nagsisingking. Ngayon po, medyo konti.
Eh kasi nga, as a dream chaser, na-achieve mo na yung dream mo na manalo. So parang panaginip na lang ang lahat. Pero ito na nga, Horizon na kayo. Ikaw, Kyler.
Hi, I'm Kyler from Horizon. Para sa akin po is parang katulad po ng sinabi ni Racer. Para pong nananaginip po. Tapos parang eto na yun, parang dream come true po. Ayun po. Tapos ngayon po, sobrang saya ko po kasi napasama po ako sa Final 7.
Congratulations. Ikaw naman, Kim.
Sa akin po parang hindi pa talaga. My name is Kim of Horizon. Para sa akin po parang hindi pa talaga sink in pero yun nga kahapon nagti-training kami. Nagsabi na ako sa kanila na guys, magkapatid na tayo dito.
Tsaka yun nga, maraming mga magbabago ngayon. Tulad nga nung pag-introduce nyo ng selves nyo. Ngayon pa lang, di ba, sinasanay na natin sarili na, I'm Ai from Horizon or of Horizon. Try natin kay Jeremy. Ikaw naman, Jeremy.
Hi, I'm Jeremy from Horizon. And hindi pa po talaga sana nag-sink in kasi hindi ko po in-expect na sobrang bilis po ng pangyayari. Like parang kahapon po, parang kaka-audition ko lang po yung nakapasok po ako, tapos biglang andito na po kagad ako. Like, isa na po sa Global Pop.
Yes!
Wow!
We're so proud of you, boys! Tsaka yun na nga let it sink in na kayo yung pinili ng public. So, for the information of everyone, Dreammaker garnered 25 million votes sa huling voting cycle lang yun.
Thank you po.
25 million. And that was the shortest voting cycle, no? Kasi 1 week lang yun eh. Usually parang 1 month, several weeks. Pero ito, in a span of 1 week, naka 25 million votes tayo. Tapos hindi pa unli votes yun. 10 votes per day, 100 votes per voting device. So what more kung nag-unli? At 17.7 million of those para sa inyong 7 out of 25 million. Ganon karami yung napunta sa inyo, di ba? Winston, you got 2 million votes. Tapos, Kim and Racer, 2.2. Si Vinci, 2.6. Si Kyler, 2.8. Ay, tama ba? 2.6, tama. Tapos si Marcos, 2.8. Jeremy, 3.1. Oo. So parang grabe talaga. Ang daming sumusuporta sa inyo. So let it sink in na kayo na yan. Kayo na ang binuo natin na global pop group. So congratulations, boys. Okay, ngayon, bago kayo pumunta sa Korea, ano sa tingin nyo? I-evaluate nyo yung sarili nyo. Ano sa tingin nyo yung dapat nyo i-enhance pa more bago kayo mag-start ng training sa Korea? Kasi syempre, iba yung tingin ng mentors, iba yung kayo, alam nyo sa sarili ninyo. Ano sa tingin nyo dapat nyong i-enhance pa? Who would like to start? Sige, Marcos, parang meron ka na.
Well, actually, I think there's many things that we can improve on. And by the way, this is Marcus of Horizon. Honestly, like right now, I know that we've already been training for quite a long time already. But I feel like we can definitely improve more on when we train. We definitely can be more I don't know how to say it, but be more, I guess, more full power when dancing. I remember in the finals, the nerves really kicked in and it was really hard to dance so hard. But I know that all of us right now definitely improved compared to the first day mentors evaluation, and I know that it'll get better sooner or later. So I'm very excited for what's to come for all of us.
So mas powerful na, mas powerful performance ang pwede natin abangan. Okay, who would like to add pa? Winston? Okay.
Hi, I'm Winston of Horizon. So for me po, yung pinakakailangan ko po talagang mas i-maintain, tama po, ate?
Enhance pa.
Enhance pa. Yung mindset ko po talaga. Kasi alam ko na once we go to Korea, I know na marami pa kaming mararanasan na struggles. So, kailangan pa ng mas matatag na isip in order to, to succeed. And
challenges you encounter. Yeah.
Okay po, hi po. This is Marcus of Horizon. I think like one of the things that are very memorable for me here, and especially like in the behind the scenes, is while we're training, like when we're dancing, like there, like because there's always like I don't know if it was, I don't think it was ever shown in the show,
Uy, ano
but
to?
there was a time like it was still like the take my hand like era, and we would like that was like the longest time we trained for something, definitely, because there were so many of us, and so like we got grouped into like a few, I don't really know, and then there would always just be a cameraman with a GoPro. And then when he goes inside, we just stop practicing and we just like play around. It's like something memorable for me because we were so I guess so playful before.
Parang laro-laro lang. No?
Yeah.
Nag-enjoy lang kayo. Oo.
But yeah, that's the only thing that I can think of right now. Thank you, po.
That's a happy memory for you.
Yeah,
No?
and it's good to share as well because I realized that it was like never shown.
Sino kaya yung may dalang
It's a secret.
GoPro? Okay. Who else would like to share?
Siguro yung memory with your mentor and to yung mga co-host, diba? Yung mga host. Any memorable behind the scene experience with them? Magagaling yung host niya, di ba? Sila Kim, sila Ryan Bang, Angeline. Do you have any, yung di nakita ng mga fans ninyo, di ba?
Winston. Okay.
Yung pinaka-memorable po talaga, in terms sa sa mga mentors, kapag kapag on training po kami tapos wala pong cam, kung ano po yung pinapakita nila sa amin pag pag may on cam po kami, yun din po yung pinapakita nila sa off cam. Like, ina-advise po kami, like niyayakap po kami, ganun po sila ganun po sila ka-attach sa amin. So, yun po yung pinaka-memorable galing po sa mga mentors. And on the other hand naman po sa mga hosts po, like si Kuya Ryan and Ate Kim po. Yun po, lagi, aside sa nagsasabi sila sa amin mga Dream Chaser, kami mga trainees, pag sa off-cam po, nakikipagkulitan po kami sa kanya. Katulad, lalo na po kay Kuya Ryan, kasi napakaano niya po, parang nakakatawa po siya, and sobrang cute niya po, and nakakasabay po kaming lahat mga Dream Chaser makikipagkulitan sa kanya, kahit wala pong cam. Yun po.
Okay, thank you, Winston.
Thank you po.
Anybody? Meron pa ba? Si
Kim.
Marcos.
Sa akin naman po, yung pinaka-memorable talaga ay yung mga mentors, yung pag tapos ng performance namin every mission, like sinasabihan kami na, you're good, good luck, ganun. Like, parang pinupush pa talaga nila kami na gaan yung feelings namin habang nag-perform at i-love yung mga dreams namin. And then, yung pinaka-memorable talaga na nangyari dito sa journey ko dito, yung mga dream chaser na after practice, siyempre sobrang pagod kami, and then pagdating sa dorm, nagkukulitan pa kami, and then minsan nagagalit na yung nagbabantay sa amin, yung mga sisi na, uy, kailangan nyo na matulog kasi bukas training naman ulit. Parang hindi ko na-feel yung pagod kasi like, dito lang ako nakaranas ng parang buo, magkakapatid kaming lahat dito.
Thank you, Kim.
And I just want to add lang po, like, the hosts that we got to work with were like definitely one of the best. Ate Kim, Kuya Ryan, Miss PGI. Like honestly, like them as hosts, it's almost like they're not hosts. It's almost like they are just our friends. Like I remember, like kanina lang before this. We were just having a chat with Miss VGI, and she helps us out with everything. Before here, like she was like asking what our meaning of the group would be, and just like friendly conversations, and also with Ate Kim and Kuya Ryan. Sometimes they visit us when we train. So like honestly.